Hello everybody and welcome to this NBL webinar on Excel and AI, where over the next 60 minutes or so, we'll be looking at AI-powered insights to improve our productivity and our efficiency in Excel. So my name is Alan Murray, and I'll just go through a few words about me and about what to expect over the next 60 minutes, and then we'll get going with the exciting stuff. So about me, I talk about Excel a lot. So I've done many sessions for NBL seminars over the years, different Excel sessions about formulas, Power Query, talking about Power BI, and we may have crossed paths in those other sessions before. But I also run a YouTube channel called Computer Gaga. I've written books, teaching in classrooms every day. I talk about Excel a lot. So more specifically about this session right now, our aims are to start off with some built-in AI tools that are in Excel. So although this year has seen a big boom in the kind of popularity of generative AI, there's a lot of interest in ChatGPT and Bard and various tools of that manner and various apps. But AI has been around a long time, and Excel has had tools that utilize AI for a long time. So we'll start by looking at some of those that are baked into Excel already. But then we'll move on to ChatGPT and see how we can utilize that to write and troubleshoot our formulas, to write and troubleshoot macro code, and also to clean and transform data that we may receive in Excel or via a PDF or some file type like that. So moving on, if I get rid of this PowerPoint and we'll dive straight into Excel. So we're going to look at three different built-in AI tools to tackle three kind of key areas of most people's day-to-day Excel work. One of them to manipulate and clean data, another one to write our formulas for us, and then finally we'll look at analyzing data. So looking at this first example, this is for a tool